Bollywood taking scripts and stories from Hollywood and South Indian films is one aspect that we as viewers have become used to. But there have been instances where the industry has tried to recreate their own classic movies with a new revamped look and feel to it with the same iconic characters. Where in some instances this works, in other majority times these recreations fail. So here is Tried and Refused Productions with top 5 worst Bollywood remakes of Indian classic movies. Number 5 goes to Umrao Jaan. This movie was iconic due to 3 reasons. A woman protagonist successfully showcasing her journey and plight without depending on any star figures at a time where this was rare, iconic music, and Rekha's powerful performance. Such a gem should have never been touched, but director J.P. Datta thought he could recreate the magic with the mesmerizing Aishwarya Rai.
आज हमने इसलिए पी क्योंकि हम आपको छोड़ रहे हैं.
He failed to do so due to several reasons, including the long-running 3 hours of the film, and failed to capture in the main character the melancholy of Umrao Jaan. The premise had sincere attempts in respecting the original piece of art, but failed to capture the magic of the classic. Number 4 goes to Qarz. The thriller movie directed by Subhash Ghai in 1980 starring Rishi Kapoor, Tina Munim and Simi Garibal in pivotal roles has a cult status. From double-crossing, reincarnation and evergreen music that has still lived on today, Qarz had everything. Rather than recreating the magic on the big screen again with a notable star, Bollywood had the bright idea of putting the responsibility on Himesh Reshammia's shoulders.
रिश्ते कायम होने के बाद बदल जरूर जाते हैं, टूटते कभी नहीं.
You're quite an interesting man, Mr. Winter.
Cringeworthy acting, below average music, and a lackluster script. The remake in 2008 was definitely embarrassing compared to the original. Number 3 goes to Zanjeer. Zanjeer is known for many things. It changed the trajectory of Indian cinema and Amitabh Bachchan's career. It laid a harsh and real light on what India was and is marred by poverty, red tape, and corruption. This iconic role story and legendary villain Sher Khan got recreated in 2013 by Apurva Lakhia, and oh god was it a train wreck.
शेर खान, मैं क्रिमिनल्स के हाथ में सिर्फ हथकड़ी पहनाता हूं.
Ramcharan was Vijay Khanna and Sanjay Dutt was Sher Khan. Even though both the actors tried their level best, corny delivery of dialogues, below average action sequences, and a story not gripping and engaging enough led to its downfall and just became like any other masala film. Number 2 goes to Himmatwala. There are some movies that only work because it released in a specific era. Himmatwala is one classic comedy from 1983 that was perfect for its audience and time in the industry. It was one of the industry's biggest hits, but Sajid Khan really had to meddle in and take up the monumental task of making the subject matter and comedic scenes relevant in 2013.
20-30 साल बाद लोग क्या नारे लगाएंगे पता है? Save the tiger.
Needless to say, it was a disaster. From lazy script writing to banking on the nostalgic moments from the original movies, Himmatwala was horrible in its entirety. Only one can wonder why Ajay Devgan said yes to it. Before we discuss the number 1 position, here are some honorable mentions.
ये 100 करोड़ हीरो का वजन कितना होता है? इन्हें किलो के पाव से नहीं होते, कैरेट के हिसाब से होते हैं.
Early to double bed and early to wake up fast makes a male mard hata kata and over smart.
I love you.
Oh God, बस कर पगली, रुलाएगी क्या?
And number 1 goes to RGV Ki Aag. There are a few things that you never mess with in Bollywood, and one such thing is Sholay. A movie with its music, dialogues, and characters that are still celebrated today. No one would have ever dared to touch the script, but Ram Gopal Varma had a lot of confidence. That confidence led him to make one of the worst films in Bollywood history that made little to no business.
समझता क्या है अपने आप को? अगर मेरा भेजा गरम हो गया ना, तो तू नीचे और लैला तेरे ऊपर चटनी बना के पीस डालूंगी. माँ की आँख.
Unnecessary pseudo-artistic camera angles, corny new characters, and deplorable performances, RGV Ki Aag was so bad that it became a joke even in future comedy films, mocking its direction.
राम गोपाल वर्मा की आग पूरी पिक्चर दिखाऊंगा, बार बार दिखाऊंगा.
Some classics should be left alone. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Also, please support my personal page on Instagram. The handle is right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support the video by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you so much for watching.